Hi everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am reviewing my new security camera by TREATLIFE. So this is a wired camera and I installed this one at my backyard and it just works so very well for me. This security camera comes with a smart application so you can fully see and control your camera through the smart application. It has no monthly fee and it has like a place to put a CD card into, so you can use this one with like a space card, or you can just use it with a cloud, whatever works for you. So guys, first of all, let me introduce you to the full review and unboxing. I'm gonna go deep into the tech details, and after that I'm gonna introduce you a full usage of the smart application. So if you are interested in one or each other, just obviously feel free to move back and forward during this video of mine. Well, let's get started with the review first of all. So this is TREATLIFE ProSight PS10 outdoor security camera, which this one, by the way, is wired. So be so very sure that you're ready to go with the wired camera. So this one is giving you a 360 degrees of a view, and it's just constantly rotating and showing 360 degrees of your property. So you have 24/7 and completely full view of your property or the place that you've put this camera on. Currently, it goes for 20% off for Christmas, and you have the code at the listing as well as down below in the description box to this video of mine. So guys, Christmas is the best time to buy this camera because the price is the lowest currently. Plus, this camera can definitely play a great idea and a great role of a Christmas gift. So yeah, so very recommended. Well, let's go deep down to the details. So this is a 5MP Ultra HD and HDR security camera. It gives you the experience of a crystal clear video high quality with a 5MP Ultra HD resolution and with the high dynamic range, which that's the HDR, for enhanced visual clarity. It have a 360 degrees pan, as I said already so many times, but it's like really so important. That's basically the first camera that I'm reviewing, which is giving you a full 360 degrees of a view. Plus, it have a 100 degrees angle of a tilt ability to view through this camera, and it have an AI tracking ability as well. The AI tracking high technology is intelligent, have a sensor inside, and have automated monitoring abilities. It is also have a customized detection zones and intelligent AI alerts directly to your phone through the smart application as well. So this surveillance security camera have a customized detection zone, which you can define through the smart application, as well as there's going to be no false alerts from this camera, since the alerts are working on the smart AI high technology. So you will only receive alerts for precise and only relevant notifications and only relevant events, by ensuring that you stay informed for only important things and no any time wasting of yours with any type of false alarms. And you can completely define and customize all the type of notifications, how sensitive you want this camera to go with the notifications, with the AI recognitions, and so very on, as well as for movings and noise notifications. Yes, you even have like a noise notifications that will come through this security camera. All through the smart application, all can be controlled, customized, and adjusted. This camera is absolutely elevating my outdoor security. I can be so very calm down about my backyard. So I'm getting notifications of everything that happens. Most of the times it's just animals like raccoons and deer and squirrels that are going all around my backyard. But I defined it to give me notifications of any type. Of course, as I already told you before, guys, you can choose your notifications to be human only, or noise only, or animals only, and so very on. It absolutely depends of how you would like it to work for you. It also have a Starlight sensor built inside, as well as the f1.6 Aperture. It is also provides you with a full color night vision, even in a very low light. So it doesn't matter how dark the nights are at your property, you will still able to clearly see and get a clear, sharp image, even at the very darkest nights. You can watch every corner of your property thanks to the 6 bookmark points for an instant access. Also, you have a zoom ability, so this security camera can go for up to 3 times zoom, and of course that you can see it all through the smart application. This camera is fast, so it works in a dual band Wi-Fi stability, so it also works on the seamless connection on 2.4 as well, with the most desirable, and every house out there is using now, the 5 GHz. So to me, it's very important that a product will be able to work on the 5 GHz, because obviously there's basically no one out there anymore using the 2.4 GHz now. So since this camera works on the dual frequency Wi-Fi 5 and 2.4 GHz as well, it is actually ensuring a stable and interruptions-free connections experience experience since 5 GHz is, a better, faster one, so you won't be facing any type of problems. This security camera is waterproof and it can work in any weather out there. It was especially designed to impress and last, so it meets the IP65 durability type of weather conditions, like being waterproof, so it will work at the snowy weather, at the rainy weather, whatever. It's crafted to impress and built to last. This camera works with voice control, so you can absolutely pair this one with Alexa and Google Assistant and command this camera with your voice. This camera is maximizing your storage because it have the H.265 encoding technology it works on. That means flexible storage and no monthly fee. It is optimizing your storage efficiency and it is have a maximum storage capacity out there, so you can enjoy the flexibility of storage options without the burden of any type of monthly fees. So this camera is no monthly fees, period. This video encoding high technology can save for up to 50% of your storage space, so this is way more efficient storage solution than others. This camera is equipped with 12 spotlights and it's capable of producing a brightness of up to 500 lux. It is suitable for not only nighttime illumination but also provides a powerful assistance to users during any type of security alerts. It saves your data secured, so it is advanced with encryption protocols, so it's basically impossible to break into your camera, which means even more security for you. It have a two-way audio, so you can talk to the camera and you can obviously listen to everything that's happening at your property right now. I truly love that it also shows you the percentage of the Wi-Fi signal, so this is how it shows you how strong the Wi-Fi, and you will know that like the camera maybe needs to move or the Wi-Fi signal maybe needs to be stronger. And the last thing is that this camera not just gonna work through your smart application from your smartphone, but it is also a real-time viewing on the web, as well as NVR displays are available for this camera. So you don't have to have your phone all the time. You can connect this camera to a monitor and basically like monitoring this one from your PC or any other type of a display. Well guys, be so very sure to check this one out. I'll leave you all of the links down below in the description box, as well as TREATLIFE Tech. They have so many other type of security cameras and other technology gadgets. Well, be so very sure to check them out. They also have like smart lighting, any type of security cameras, plugs, switches, and other home automation type of products. Well guys, I truly hope you love this review of mine, and now let me introduce you to the smart application. I mean, what this camera is capable of. So you are gonna see everything on your screen right now. As you can see, currently it is full of like Christmas gift ideas, and you have like really nice discounts, also like other tech accessories from TREATLIFE. So here I am, hi! So this is the camera live right now. It's installed in my backyard and you can see me through the camera. Currently the patrol is on. The patrol means that the camera goes 360 degrees back and forward, basically 24/7, like all the time non-stop. I can of course turn it off and I can manually control the camera by myself. So currently I just turned off the patrol control and I can move the camera just basically with my fingers like that, just like a screen of your iPhone. I can zoom in and I can zoom out with basically two of my fingers. And now let me tell you everything it's capable of. So there is a siren, which you can turn on or turn off anytime you want. Patrol already introduced you to. Sound detection, that means that every time that there's gonna be a sound, it's gonna notify you that there is a sound. Motion detection, you can turn it on or off, same as sound detection, and same idea, every time there is a motion, it's gonna notify you. Then you have the auto tracking ability, which you can turn it on or turn it off, and basically auto tracking means that it is gonna follow objects like human all around. You can turn it on or off. Then you have the spotlight, which you can turn it on or off. That basically means the light that comes from the camera. This is very essential for the nighttime, even though the night vision of this one is amazing, as you could see. Night mode, so you can turn it on auto, which this is what I'm using. That basically means that it's gonna automatically recognize that there's night or day, and it's gonna accordingly adjust the camera by himself, the algorithm. Or you can turn on the infrared mode, or you can turn on the full color mode, whatever works for you. I love mine on auto. Then you can turn on the HDR on or off, whatever works for you. Private mode, that basically means that the camera is gonna be off, and same color, you can, do it dark mode or light mode. Gallery, this is gonna, show you everything that you saved. And a playback, for this one, you do need a storage device. So you can turn your camera by basically any direction. By the way, you can also rotate your camera to go like, upside down if you want to. You can, of course, record a video. You can take a picture, of course. Then you can call to your camera, so you will be able to talk to your camera. So if you are calling, hello, 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 hello. So you can talk to the camera. I really hope you can hear it. Hey. Then you can turn the camera volume on or off. That basically means that you're gonna hear whatever is going on at your property while you're away, or you hear whatever works for you. Then if I'm gonna go to the full mode, of course that you can also control your camera manually. You can make it to go up or down by, it can go very, very low and very, very high. You can choose it to be on SD quality or UHD quality, whatever works for you. You can choose to subscribe to the View Plus plan mode if you want to. You have presets that you can create by yourself, and you can manually control the zoom and the pan and the tilt. Of course, that you can go, zoom in, zoom out, whatever works for you. So here you can see all the messages, all the notifications you've ever got, all the sound detected, all the motion detected, and so very on. Well, that was like basically a brief introducing to the smart application. I truly hope I was able to squeeze it basically to make it like as fast as possible, because obviously I don't want to sit here for 30 minutes and listen to this. But that was like, the basic settings. Of course, it's capable of way more. I will guys highly recommend you to check out this security camera by TREATLIFE. I personally love it. We are using this one on our backyard and it just works so very great for us, and I'm sure it's gonna work the same amazing way for you too. Well guys, that was actually all for today. Please let me know your opinion down below in the comments. Be so very sure to check TREATLIFE security camera out. I will leave you all the links down below in the description box to this video of mine, as well as any other type of information like coupon codes, sales, promotions, discounts, and so very on. Be so very sure to not to lose the Christmas sale that goes on right now. And guys, that was actually all for today. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.